Peekaboo, be nice.
Be nice.
Be
Kiss
nice.
her.
Kiss, kiss, Peekaboo. Be nice. Just kiss. Kiss, kiss, Peekaboo. That's not nice. That's not nice.
He wants to bite me.
He wants to pull on your earring. That's what it is.
Be nice.
Try to touch yourself more.
Stop, he's gonna try and bite your fingers now.
He's biting me for real. Peekaboo, get off.
Take him to the
That's not nice.
Tanika, stop.
Peekaboo, but he's biting me.
He's trying to pull your earring. That's what he's trying.
No, you don't want me to touch my. I can't even touch my whole ear. This is my ear. Yo, it's my ear. Hello, my ear.
I want you to
My ear. That's my ear. Dude, ow. He's gonna take my.
He's pulling your earring. That's what he's doing. He's fighting on your earring.
Okay, but he don't let me touch my ear. Look, ow.
I want you to touch
But that's my ear. My ear. Peekaboo, be nice. Be nice.
Oh, you see, he's pulling the earring.
Dude, hello. Like,
He's pulling the earring.
Be nice. Be nice. Excuse. That's my ear.
Nice.
Peekaboo, ow. That's it. Yo, hurt off of me. I'm
Come
sweating.
over here. Don't look at me.
Go get her, Peekaboo.
No.
Get her, Peekaboo.
Peekaboo, no.
Get her, Peekaboo.
No.
This nigga's gonna bite me in my face. Can I touch my ear? Yo, that is my ear. Dude, like, what the hell is wrong with you?
Peekaboo, be nice,
Can you be
baby.
Why you don't want to be nice? He's biting me. Be nice.
Peekaboo. Be nice.
Be nice, Peekaboo. Be the good baby.
Can I clean my boogers?
Be the good baby.
He's pulling on your earring.
Peekaboo, be nice. What's the matter? He's scratching me. Mira. Ow. That shit hurts.
He's gonna bite your ear.
We gotta put this on Facebook.
Either put this on Facebook or send it
Yo,
to
can you leave my
friend.
earring? That's my ear. Mine? My ear.
Look, he's trying to bite you.
That's my ear.
He don't want you to go next to it.
I can't touch my ear. He just bit my ear. Don't say it. Yeah.
Tanika, don't touch yourself. Don't touch yourself.
Stop it. All right, he gotta go. Take him. Get him off. Get him off.
Move back.
Take him to the room so you can fly out.
Come on, Peekaboo, let's go. Look, he don't want to get off you.
Since you can.
Go. Choo.
You don't want to get off?
Come on. Go. Go. Yo, you don't want to get off of me. Go.
Peekaboo, let him come on.
Go. You bad boy.
Oh, shit.
Bye, Peekaboo.
All right, play now.
Go, Nico, go. Come on, Nico, get out. Because he's going to bite you.